Hey there, fitness enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into a topic that's often overlooked in the world of bodybuilding: food waste. That's right, the pursuit of gains and optimal nutrition can sometimes lead to excess food purchasing and disposal. But fear not, because we've got some fantastic tips to help you minimize food waste while staying on track with your bodybuilding journey. Let's get into it. Bodybuilding, like any other dietary-focused pursuit, can potentially contribute to food waste if not managed mindfully. The combination of specific nutritional needs, meal planning, and dietary preferences can sometimes lead to excess food purchasing and disposal. Here are some considerations to minimize food waste while pursuing bodybuilding. 1. Meal planning. Plan your meals and grocery shopping carefully. Estimate the quantities of ingredients you'll need based on your nutritional requirements, portion sizes, and eating habits. 2. Portion control. Cook and consume portions that align with your dietary needs. Avoid cooking large quantities that you might not finish, which can lead to food waste. 3. Use leftovers creatively. If you have leftovers from your meals, consider repurposing them into new dishes to avoid letting them go to waste. 4. Frozen ingredients. If you're concerned about perishable ingredients spoiling before you can use them, consider freezing them for later use. 5. Mindful consumption. Before discarding food, evaluate if it's truly spoiled or if it can still be consumed. Some foods might still be safe and nutritious past their best-by date. 6. Donate excess food. If you have non-perishable foods that you won't consume, consider donating them to food banks or local charities. 7. Composting. If you have food scraps that can't be consumed, consider composting them to reduce landfill waste. 8. Buy in bulk wisely. While buying in bulk can reduce packaging waste, make sure you can realistically consume bulk purchases before they spoil. 9. Educate yourself. Learn about proper food storage methods to extend the shelf life of your groceries and ingredients. 10. Adjust nutritional needs. If you find yourself consistently unable to finish your meals, consider adjusting your nutritional requirements or portion sizes to reduce waste. 11. Choose sustainable foods. Opt for locally sourced, seasonal, and sustainable foods whenever possible. Supporting sustainable food systems can contribute to reducing waste on a larger scale. So there you have it, the ultimate guide to slashing food waste while staying true to your bodybuilding journey. Let's make our nutrition not just about our gains, but about our planet's well-being too. Remember that while bodybuilding requires careful attention to nutrition, it's essential to balance this with environmental considerations. By adopting mindful practices and making conscious choices, you can minimize food waste and contribute to a more sustainable approach to both bodybuilding and dietary habits. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness and lifestyle content. Together, let's flex our muscles and our minds to build a healthier world, one mindful choice at a time. Until next time, keep lifting, keep nourishing, and keep making a positive impact.